Hey folks, it's Tom, your frugal prepper. The water pump started leaking on the Hyundai, which I think is actually a good thing because you of course have to pull the timing belt and the idler roller off to get to the water pump on these. And this belt has got about 70,000 on it. It was a Gates belt, but it's really getting hard. It's not real pliable, especially in the teeth. And it was real creaky, stretchy sounding, kind of like when it was turning. It just wasn't right. So I don't think I was too terribly far from a failure. Of course, you're supposed to replace these at 60,000 under hard conditions, 90,000 normal, I think. And I have to admit, I do run this car pretty hard. Sees a lot of rush hour driving, hard acceleration. So, it's definitely time. But yeah, it's all torn off and apart. Got piles of bolts and parts. And then the water pump I RMA'd out or warrantied it out with O'Reilly's. It was a lifetime warranty. Of course, doing new serpentine belts. This takes 3 belts. And then I got my timing belt kit. I've had this for a while because I've known it was something I was going to have to do soon. But I'm using the Dejing rollers. These are actually really good quality rollers. They're made by Dejing Company in South Korea. Now they don't make OEM parts for Hyundai, is my understanding, but they make good quality replacement parts for a lot of different makes and models, but especially Hyundais and Kias. These feel really well made and decent rollers. They're not like the cheap Chinese ones you get at AutoZone or whatever. Comes with cam and crank seals. Actually, it looks like it comes with 2 cam seals, which is interesting since there's only one cam shaft that you could get to. I mean, there's only one sprocket. The other camshaft is driven by an internal chain. So I don't know, it's twin cam, but I'm not going to replace any of these seals because they are perfect and not leaking. I'm not going to fix something that's not broken. It comes with the Gates Korea belt. So Gates actually has a factory in Korea now because they make belts for Hyundai and Kia. So you can see there the Gates power grip. And I think it says right under the power grip there, if you can see that, made in Korea. And then there's the idler roller from the Dejing. So that belt and the roller kit was like $32 on eBay for really good, decent quality parts. So now I just got to get this all put together. I've got a couple hours I can do some work before I'm heading to Kings Island to go swimming and ride a few rides. So we'll see what I can get done. I just thought I'd update you on what's going on. I'll talk to y'all later. It's Tom, your frugal prepper.